Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So welcome to this channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I get rid of the dryness of my feet and the cracked, unattractive nature. So this can be done right in the comfort of your home. You don't need to have this foot bath. You can just have a regular basin or a bucket and dip your feet in there. So this is what I'm going to show you guys how I do that from home, and I don't need any fancy stuff to get this done. You just need vinegar, baking soda, and a good foot butter, which I'll be showing you guys later. So with boiling water in my foot bath, like I said, you don't need this foot bath, but you can just get a little bucket or something, boiling water, and while that's sitting there to cool down a little bit, I am getting a little bit of vinegar and some baking soda into a bowl, and then I mix that up and cover my feet solely with that. Make sure you're saturating and rubbing that under your feet and wherever you need that to go to, and then cover it up in a plastic bag and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm showing you guys exactly how I do it. Okay guys, so as I told you before, I already have the water sitting and it's hot, so I'm not putting my feet in there, no worries. I'm going in with my favorite Epsom salt, lavender, love it. So guys, now that it's done soaking, I'm going to be going ahead with scrubbing. So I'm scrubbing that to get rid of the dead cells, and you don't need to press too hard because the baking soda and the vinegar softened it up already. So that's coming off easily. You're going to see that come up. Yep, as you can see, it's already clumping up in areas. I have them dropping off and coming off easily, guys. It's amazing. So now that that's done, I'm going to go into the Epsom salt water. I already told you guys I put some Epsom salt water in there, so I'm just soaking that for a little bit more, and then I'll go in one more time to smoothen it out completely. Guys, this relieves a lot of stress. I had a headache while doing this, so that really helped a lot. And one more time, we're going in with the stone, and this time around that's going to smoothing it out completely. Guys, my feet is looking great and it's feeling so soft. But we got it all out now, so we're good to go. I'm just going to soak my feet a little bit more and allow that to just soak in, and oh my god, that feels so good. So smooth now. I don't have any more dead cells on there. It's all rubbed off, guys. That was an easy fix. I hope you guys try this out. Amazing stuff. Okay, now the favorite part of it all. Oh my gosh, let me show you guys. Now that that's done, I'm going to dry this up, and then we're going to go ahead to moisturize. So guys, to moisturize my foot, I use the Summer Orchids Moisturizing Foot Butter, which I absolutely love to bits. Okay guys, this turns your feet into something else. I basically go from grown people's feet to baby foot real quick, okay guys? So this has shea butter, peppermint oil, it has avocado oil, vitamin E, and of course the orange essential oil. This smells to die for, okay guys? So it looks, let me show you guys exactly how it looks. It is thick. When I talk about thick, it's thick, okay guys? Really thick. So of course it's gonna lock in the moisture you need on your foot, okay? And one thing I love about it is it has the layer in there which protects it from drying. So I love that. This is really great for any product basically. This is great and it prevents germs from going in there as much as possible. Now this looks so thick, as you can see, and rich in a lot of nutrients. So it takes forever for the dead cells to come back on there. And it's advised to use this, and then after that have your socks on before you go to bed. Now this locks in moisture and of course helps with your skin as well. And as you can tell, it goes on smoothly. This actually gives me a natural glow, which I love as well. So of course I'm down for anything shea butter. So if you can tell the difference between one moisturized foot and the other, as you can tell, there's a difference between one leg and the other. One is moisturized and one is not. But I'm gonna get that done. And now that this is all done and it's great, it feels like a baby feet right now. It's so smooth, guys. I can't. I'm gonna put a link down if you guys want to purchase this foot butter. And now I'm going in with my favorite wild orange body butter, which I've been loving. Okay, this is softer than the foot butter, but really moisturizing, guys. Really smooth. Okay, really smooth, and I use that on my legs as well. I don't leave my legs out after a foot bath. Love it. So I'm gonna rub that on my feet as well, and then get me all moisturized and ready for bed. And like I mentioned, don't forget to have your socks on, okay? Oh my god, guys, look at how smooth that glides on. Look at that glow. Wow. Okay, so let me just get to bed. I'm done. So guys, if you guys want to purchase this product, I'm going to put a link in the comment section, probably pinned, as well as the description box. That way it's easier for you guys to get it. And as you can tell, I'm putting my socks on, which means it's what? Bedtime. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and comment. Let me know how you feel about this, if you've tried the vinegar and baking soda solution for your feet and how that works, guys. I will see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.